Hello everybody, this is Jeff at etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at the Pacbrake Alpha HD Pro Airbag Suspension Kit for your rear axle. It has a 5,000 pound low leveling capacity. Now this is a custom fit part. It is designed to fit the 2013 and newer Ram ProMaster 1500 and 2500 and 3500 trucks. Works with either two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive models. And because it's a custom fit part, I do like to recommend for you to go to our website, use the fit guide, put in your year and model vehicle, and it'll show if this will work for your application. Now the factory suspension can struggle under real-world loads. So if you're delivering cargo, towing a trailer, or building out a full van conversion, these Alpha HD air springs are going to add up to 5,000 pounds of rear support. This will help keep your ProMaster level and composed when the weight adds up. So there's no more dragging rear end, sloppy cornering, or headlight glare that'll blind oncoming traffic. This will just give you a stronger stance, more predictable handling, and peace of mind behind the wheel. Now this will include everything laid out here on the table. It includes the air springs themselves for the rear axle, the upper and lower roll plates, the precision laser cut powder coated steel mounting brackets. Right here, the grade 5 plated hardware. Over here, airlines with your inflation valves. And up here, we've installed on the springs the push to connect fittings that your airline will connect to. And it does come with a nice set of installation instructions that'll describe how this all goes together. Now, bottoming out doesn't just feel rough, it can wreck your airbags. That's why this HD Pro system will include the jounce bumpers that are on the inside of each air spring. So even with no air pressure, your suspension has a built-in safety net. So you could safely run at 0 PSI when you're unloaded, which means no harsh rebound, just a nice smooth factory ride. And a cargo run doesn't ride the same as a weekend trip, and your suspension should reflect that. So with the air pressure adjustability on these from 5 to 100 PSI, you can fine tune the support based on how much gear you're hauling. So you could drop the pressure when you're running light for a nice smoother ride, or you can pump it up when the van's packed full. And the manual inflation keeps it simple, effective, and easy to manage on your own terms. Now also from long haul deliveries to off-grid trails, your van seems more than perfect for pavement, and this system is built for it. Now I did want to zoom in on the springs themselves. Each spring, they use the 1-inch thick corrosion-resistant end caps on the springs, and the springs are reinforced with 20 internal support wires for maximum strength under load. We mentioned the roll plates, upper and lower roll plates. These heavy-duty roll plates will protect the springs from chafing and extend the lifespan. The powder-coated steel brackets we mentioned helps fight back rust, road salt, and rough seasons. And also, if it's bitter cold, scorching heat, or mud-slick trails, this system is made to outlast whatever the road dishes out. Now, this kit is designed with do-it-yourselfers in mind. The precision brackets we mentioned, they're designed to bolt to existing mounting points with no drilling, and all the components will come pre-cut, ready to install. The manual inflation valves, they're mount easily to your rear bumper or your license plate bracket, and there is no complicated wiring or air tools that are required. This is just a straightforward upgrade that you can knock out in a few hours. And whether you're keeping it simple or planning a full onboard air system, this kit will work with your setup. You can just use the manual inflation valves right out of the box, or you can even tie this into an existing compressor when you're ready. So planning to add even a wireless in-cab controller, it's compatible with that too. So basically what we're saying is as your van evolves, your suspension should be ready to grow with it. One note I do want to mention, these air springs will not increase your vehicle's weight carrying capacity, so you do want to make sure not to exceed the manufacturer's recommended weight limit. But that's going to do it for a look at the Pacbrake Alpha HD Pro Airbag Suspension Kit for your rear axle.